In this section, we're going to look at how to insert headings into your websites. Now, if we bring up WordPress here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open, let's have a look. I'm going to open the home page by clicking here. So here's my home page. Now, what I want to do is to insert a heading maybe here. So what I do is I click where I want the heading to be inserted. Then I go up here where it says Add Blocks, then click on Heading. Now, as you can see, there's 6 layers of headings: H1s, H2s, H3s, H4s, H5 and H6. Now, if you know about SEO, you'll know that certainly heading 1s and heading 2s are very important for SEO. So ideally, when you insert a heading, you want to include your important SEO keywords within the heading. So if I click here and insert a heading, I'm going to insert something like WordPress training course. So in my particular case, I run lots of training courses on WordPress and SEO and such like. So what I've done here is I've inserted an H2 with the words SEO training course in it. As far as formatting, basically I select the heading level here, so it's an H1. If I wanted an H3, I'd do that, H4, H5 and H6. In this case I'll select H2. I could of course also select an H1 if I want to. Now again, if you know about SEO, you know that any WordPress page should only have one H1, and you can have as many H2s and H3s as you want. So I'll go for an H2 here and I'll mark that as WordPress training. If I click outside that, you can see it's displayed as normal. What I'll do is I'll come down here and I'm going to insert another heading by clicking here, then go to heading, and I'll type in something like WordPress workshop. So for me, these would be important sort of keyword phrases, and by putting them into H1s and H2s, that actually helps a lot with my SEO. For more information, go and check out my SEO course. But that's essentially how you insert headings into a document. So as I say, from an SEO point of view, heading 1s are very important, heading 2s to a lesser extent, and if I just click within that to show you again, you can also have heading 3s to 6. They don't really count at all towards your SEO, but you can use them to sort of break up a long page.